First of all, I would like to thank and welcome the Iranian ambassador for being here. I also congratulate him on the steadfast stance that he took and fought against the superpower with determination and with servitude, and showed the world that nobody is a superpower if you believe in Allah Almighty and you stand steadfast. I'm sure now the Muslim Ummah will learn a lesson from this, because the Muslim Ummah has to get united. There are 57 countries of the Muslim world, and if we stand united, Netanyahu and Israel would be no match at all. The one terrorist who has been declared by the International Court of Justice is rampaging the world. He is a destroyer. We still have to be very cautious, because till Friday there is a lot of gap between the lip and the cup. We never know that this is going to mature, but we hope and we expect that this will. Pakistan will, inshallah, and Pakistan has always been playing the role of a unifying force. Even in 75, Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, he galvanized all the Muslims in Lahore, in Pakistan. He took the leadership and he told the Muslim world that we need to have an atom bomb, an Islamic bomb. And alhamdulillah, all the Muslim world unified with him. Even Saudi, the king, he gave him a blank check. And this is today that you have the only atomic power in the Islamic world, which is Pakistan. So Pakistan stands with you, sir. Pakistan stands with Iran. Pakistan stands with the Muslim world. And I hope and I wish that the Gulf states also realize that there is no scope for the superpower or any other power, Israel or Netanyahu, to have their bases around in the Muslim world. Because from those bases, the superpower or Netanyahu has been able to operate against the Iranians, and the Iranians in self-defense did react, although slightly there was a damage also, collateral damage done. But nevertheless, I congratulate the Iranians, I congratulate you, sir, the ambassador, excellency, and you are welcome on behalf of the opposition. On my own behalf and on behalf of the opposition, stand united with you. The whole house stands united so far as Iran is concerned, and we stand with you and we salute your courage and your servitude and the patience which you did and the amount of courage that you did, and you crumbled the superpower. Whatever Donald Trump says, and I hope now that you are also compensated for the damage that has been done. Your leadership has been evaporated. Who gave this right? Who gave this right to Netanyahu or Donald Trump to attack you, to attack your children's school, to eliminate your leadership? Khomeini was also assassinated and murdered and martyred, and so many other top leaders of Iran were martyred. Is anybody going to account for that? I wish the world conscience rises and takes stock of this also. I wish that Netanyahu, the damage that he has done, he also is held accountable, and there is some accountability and you are compensated. I wish and pray that your accounts that have been frozen the world over, they are realized. I wish and hope that Hormuz is opened for you, and it is under your control, because this is the international law that whichever country is adjacent and the Hormuz runs in your country, through your country and through Oman. So therefore you have an international right to control Hormuz and or to tax the ships that go around. But nevertheless, even if you have to concede on that, it is your benevolence Allah Almighty inshallah will compensate you for the damage that you have suffered, and inshallah you will thrive and you will become the leader in the Muslim world. And I hope and wish and pray that Saudi Arabia